Hello children, welcome to today's physical and health education class. Remember, it is still for basic 1 and I am still your favorite physical and health education teacher, Mr. Okoronkwo Jackson Jonathan. Today we'll be talking about a first aid box. A first aid box. If you look at this, there are some that are small, like this size. There are some that are bigger than this, and there are some that are very big. This one is a small first aid box. And we define first aid box as a box containing all the tools and materials we use in first aid. If you look inside, you will see some materials and some tools that we use for first aid. You can see it. For example, we have methylated spirit. We have methylated spirit. We have a plaster. You can see a plaster. We have a bandage. This is a bandage. We have the scissors. The scissors is used to collect the cotton wool, and then you touch it on your antiseptic, either hydrogen or your spirit, to clean an injury. We also have iodine. We also have other things that are contained in the first aid box, like your paracetamol, your Panadol. These are called painkillers. These are called painkillers in order to prevent pains coming from the injury you sustained. So this is our lesson on first aid and first aid box. I hope you learned something from our today's lesson. See you next time and bye-bye.